I'm Michael, and this is Wallets Wise, where the dollar talks, the market breathes, and the news comes raw. Let's go. Breathe easy. Smart strategies to save money during inflation, U.S. economy, and market April 11, 2025. Michael, Wallet Wiser strategies to save money. Inflation is no longer just a headline, it's a reality affecting millions of American households. From groceries to gas, rent to insurance, prices are climbing, and for many, it feels like paychecks just aren't keeping up. But don't panic. With the right strategies and a bit of mindset shift, you can still stay financially afloat and even thrive during these uncertain times. Why is everything getting more expensive? Let's start with the basics. Inflation means the overall price level of goods and services is rising, reducing your purchasing power. It's driven by a mix of factors: increased production costs, supply chain issues, and even geopolitical tensions. For the average American, it simply means your dollar doesn't stretch as far as it used to. So, what can you actually do about it? 1. Strategies to save money. And 1. Track every dollar seriously. You can't fix what you don't see. Use apps like YNAB. You need a budget mitt or good budget to get a crystal clear view of where your money is going. Tracking expenses forces you to be honest and usually reveals some sneaky spending habits that can be trimmed without much pain. 2. Strategies to save money. And 2. Cut costs without cutting joy. This isn't about becoming a hermit, it's about spending smarter. Try switching to store brand groceries, cooking more meals at home, or downgrading subscription services you barely use. Do you really need Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max all at once? Probably not. Challenge yourself to find one luxury expense you can pause for 30 days. You'll be surprised how little you miss it and how much you save. 3. Strategies to save money. And 3. Hunt for deals like it's a game in times of inflation. Every discount counts. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey when shopping online. Stack coupons. Wait for sales if you're buying big-ticket items. Don't just check Amazon, look at local deals, warehouse outlets, and refurbished options too. For groceries, apps like Aboda and Fetch Rewards can help you earn back a decent chunk over time. 4. Strategies to save money. And 4. Automate your savings. Even if it's small, it sounds counterintuitive to save during inflation, but even a small automatic transfer like $10 a week builds a buffer over time. Set it and forget it. Over a year, that's over $500. You'll thank yourself when an emergency hits and you're not putting it on a credit card. 5. Strategies to save money. And 5. Focus on high-impact bills. First, want to make a real dent. Tackle the bills that suck the most cash. Shop around for better rates on insurance. Refinance if interest rates drop. And consider switching to a lower-cost phone plan. Many people are overpaying for car insurance simply because they've never compared quotes. You could save hundreds with just one phone call or a few clicks. 6. Start earning on the side. Even a little helps in tough times. Earning more is often more powerful than just cutting expenses. Whether it's freelancing, driving Uber, selling things online, or offering services in your neighborhood, there are countless ways to add a few $100s to your monthly income. And guess what? Side hustles often turn into full-time opportunities when you least expect it. 7. Avoid debt traps at all costs. Inflation makes everything more expensive, including debt. Credit card interest rates have soared, so carrying a balance can be brutal. If you're struggling with debt, prioritize paying off high-interest cards first or look into a 0% balance transfer option. And unless it's essential, now's not the time to take on new debt, especially for things that don't appreciate in value. Final thoughts: adapt and conquer. Inflation is real, but it doesn't have to wreck your financial health. It's all about adapting, being intentional, and refusing to let panic make decisions for you. Tighten up where it makes sense, get creative, and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. The economy may shift, but your discipline and strategy can keep you steady. Start small, act now. And remember, smart money wins even when prices rise. Tips: I also talked about how to get out of debt in this other article, and I believe it will make a lot of sense to you now that you have learned the best strategies to save money in times of inflation. How about advancing even further with my book recommendations? An envelope saving challenge. Before you leave, comment on which strategy you will apply first and which one you were already applying. I want to see and respond to your comment. See you soon. Investor, info delivered, mission complete. This was Michael on Wallets Wise, where smart strategies lead to real results. Make your money count. See you next time. That's a wrap for Wallets Wise.